Hello everybody, we have another piece of inventory here that I wanted to tell you about. It is a 2008 Toyota Sienna XLE Limited. It's got no accidents on your Carfax, 137,000 miles. It does have the leather interior, heated seats, DVD player for the kids in the back seat. Automatic opening, you just pull the handle, the door opens, kids get in. All the seats are in good shape. And closes as well. One pull of the handle, automatic doors. Does have an automatic lift as well on the back. Seats do fold down flat, and you still, when they're up, you have a place for luggage or groceries, etc. Automatic closing, pull it down just a little bit, it kicks in. Both sides of the doors are automatic when they open up. Great van, top of the line, limited version of 2008. You can look us up online at Autohouse.US. Give us a call at that phone number. Talk to you soon.